Hello, and welcome back to the latest video of Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a job on the Upwork platform. If you're having any trouble applying for a job on Upwork, this video is just for you. So, without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome and search for Upwork. Firstly, you have to open your Google Chrome and search Upwork. Click on the first option that pops up after searching. Step 2. Find the search bar and search for the job you're looking for. Shortly after clicking on Upwork, it will lead you to the Upwork profile. You can see the search bar here, and you have to search for the job you're looking for. I'm going to search YouTube thumbnail creator here. After it starts processing, it will show the job options. I'm going to select the second job option here and read the terms. Step 3. Apply. After reading the terms and conditions of the job, you just have to click simply on the Apply option. Fill up the more conditions and attach a cover letter. After writing the cover letter, you just simply have to send these applications using your connects. Then you have to check this box here and just click to continue. I successfully submitted this proposal here. You can also submit your applications using the simple steps that I followed in this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it. We'll keep making this kind of helpful video for you in the future. So, make sure to share and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in another video. Till then, be safe and happy.